I will suggest a free way which requires only your Windows PC to mine Bitcoin from your home. Make sure you watch the video till the end because you also need to know how to make sure that your hardware will not get damaged. That's the important thing. Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to suggest an easiest way to mine Bitcoin from your home using your Windows PC. Before explaining how it is, I'm requesting everyone to please watch this video till the end because if you don't watch the video till the end, your hardware may get damaged. So I don't want you people to damage your hardware with half knowledge. That's the reason why I'm requesting it. If you don't have enough time, please watch it in your free time, but please make sure you watch the video till the end because if you don't follow all the stuff, your hardware may get damaged. And in this video I will suggest a free way which requires only your Windows PC to mine Bitcoin from your home. So you don't need to do anything, you just need your PC, that's it. You can mine Bitcoin. So I will explain it in step by step how it works and everything. Make sure you watch the video till the end because you also need to know how to make sure that your hardware will not get damaged. That's the important thing. So I'm requesting everyone to watch the video till the end. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So in this channel you will get content on passive income tips, digital marketing, programming, latest technology, personal finance and investments, and many more which will be useful for you in your career. If you're someone who is aged between 20s and 30s, then ultimately this channel is something which creates a lot of value to you. The first thing that you need to do is find the link of Kryptex in the description. So you can find it in the first line of the description. So if you click that, you will be redirected to this page. So this is an app called Kryptex. So it is where you can actually mine Bitcoin. I'm creating an account from scratch. Once you give your user ID and email address and password, you can then log in. And you can see you need to download this app. So you can see an option called download Kryptex. So make sure you are using a Windows operating system. So once after you downloaded the Kryptex app, so you need to install that. So that's very simple. You just need to download the Kryptex app and you need to click that exe file. So it will get installed. So Kryptex is a cloud mining app. So you just need to give your hardware to that. So once after the installation, it is how it looks. So I have just passed it. So this is my new account. That's the reason why it was not showing how much I have mined so far. You can see if you can click the settings, so you can see different things. Start with Windows in the sense once you restart your computer, it will be automatically started. CPU mode and Pro mode. CPU mode in the sense it uses only your CPU, and you can also see the light mode and full mode and the other thing, because if you click light mode, it will only consume less power. If you click Pro mode, it will consume the entire power. So it is how it looks. So once you fix that, your mining will start automatically. And this is how you can actually check your balance and all the stuff. You can, once you have some Bitcoin in your wallet, you can request payment by different ways. You can also get through Amazon Pay, and you can see if you want to withdraw directly, so there is an option here like you can directly withdraw through your local wallet. If you have a Grex or CoinDCX or Binance, whatever it might be, you can just click you can get your address, Bitcoin address there. If you can paste here, it will automatically get transferred to your account. So whatever the wallet that you're using, it is how it works. So it was very simple. So you just need to download the application, and once after you have downloaded the application, you need to install that, and you need to give which mode you are using. So if you have a GPU, then you can click Pro mode, and or if you don't want to use your GPU, you can only use CPU. And the other thing is, if you only use CPU, you will get around $1 to $2 per day. You will not get more than that. But if you have a good GPU, then you can earn a lot. So the process involved here is cloud mining. So you are not solving any problems here. So there is a concept called cloud mining, in which the miners use cloud data space to mine Bitcoin. So here Kryptex is a cloud mining platform. So Kryptex uses all your computers meant to mine Bitcoin. So that's the reason why you will get this share. So it was really easy to mine Bitcoin from your home. But now here comes the tricky part. Please watch this. So don't download this app if you are not using an advanced laptop. Your processor must be i5 or i7 or more than that. So don't use it if you are using an old processor like i3. And the other thing is, if you have a GPU, then it will be very easy for you to mine. So if you don't have a GPU supported laptop, then ultimately I can say I advise not to use this, because it may damage your hardware, because it needs more processing power, which will not be possible only with the CPU. And if you want to buy a laptop which supports GPU, and if you want to mine this, and if you want to earn more, then I have suggested few laptops which supports Nvidia RTX GPU. So those laptops will be very much helpful to mine Bitcoin or whatever it might be. So please find the links of all the laptops that I have mentioned in the description. So please find the laptops links in the description. Only purchase laptops with GPU so that it will be helpful for you in the future, not only for crypto mining, whether it might be for hardcore programming or gaming. So if you have a laptop with GPU power, then ultimately you will get some benefit out of it. So don't just blindly go and buy a laptop based on the price. So you'll also get GPU based laptops with lower price. You can also check some of them which I have attached in the description. So yeah, please only follow this process when you are having a good laptop or advanced laptop. So don't buy, don't do it with processors i2 or i3 or less than that. So if your processing power is more, then ultimately the earning chances are high, but if your processing power is very less, then ultimately your hardware may get damaged. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and also please make sure you're having a good and decent laptop, then only you can start mining. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you want someone else to get benefit out of it, please share this video. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.